outside interrupted the other joint. Damn. Hey, bro. Hey, bro, you right though, because I do need to record all this shit. Hell yeah. I did not realize this shit. We got 10 speed over there. They how nice. The Hot Wheels edition. Oh, let me show you. Hot Wheels edition. Yes, sir. Hey, that hoe nice though. 392. Yay. Oh man, Big Evan in the cup. Yeah, hey, I should've. Who him? He got a jab bite. Hey, what you think about? Was he at the meet? You was at the meet?
Yeah.
Hey, what you think about the meet? Lion Manning. What kind of bike this is?
It's a Indian Scout Bobber 20, 2023. It comes with 1199 cc's.
Type shit.
Pretty good. Big board kit, so I'm gonna be doing some work to it.
Ah, that's cool, that's cool. Nice to meet you, bro, KT.
Lane.
Nice to meet you. I'm over Circle K waiting on my boy to pull up. We got the Genesis right there. Got the fully built Vet. The other Genesis. Ah, yeah. Other spot got fucking shut down by 12. I'm talking about they came in, they giant deep as hell. Honking their horns, making all type of siren noise. I had to get the fuck out of there. Then I called my boy and see where we low at. And they said they at the gas station. I just pulled back up. Bullshit, and I heard playing. But shit, we ain't that deep though. I don't know what's going on. Look at all these random cars pulling in. They like, what the fuck going on? Trying to get some gas. Look at these random man. What the fuck going on? I'm trying to get some gas. All these damn cars up here, man. I get your bitch ass out here. But I'll catch up with y'all niggas. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when some more shit pop out. Tyler, what's up with the Hot Wheels, Lion Man?
Man, not much. It does what it can.
How much horsepower we got?
300 wheels.
300 to the wheel. That's your ass.
Crazy.
Yeah, that junk.
I don't fuck with that.
Nah, that's crazy. That junk. How rare it is though.
They made 1,500 of them.
1,500? Ah, that's pretty rare.
336.
336. Ah, that's nice. That's nice. I seen the other one. You know the other dude that was here?
Yeah, Jose.
Yeah.
That other one over there. Same one. It's like a V8
Yep.
6-speed coupe. They make convertible coupe. Auto manual.
Like he got better tire rims though. You like his rims better?
See, those are the ones that come with him. He got just.
He got aftermarket. Oh, okay.
Smart too, because them 21s.
Yeah.
Tires are expensive as fuck for a 21.
Yeah. Type shit. But, yeah. Damn, I just got caught by the damn car. Trying to take me out. Damn, my boy Joe finally. That was on your tie? What you just hearing? Pat. Ah. You did a donut? When?
Well, I took it on. That hoe actually small.
Mind that bumpy shit, ain't it? You good, baby? Give me a kiss.
You just looking at that girl ass out. You can fuck that.
No, I wasn't. She crazy. Hello, Pete. Oh, shit. Ooh. Oh, it makes on twerk. Bruh, if he go out the other way, I'm mad as hell. Ah, he coming this way, I bet. So for the video, garbage can. Alright, bet. Oh yeah. Let that be ride. Right? We're gonna go see. Hey, yo, Chan. Let's go. He finna make that house sing. Let me see some. Make that house sing, guy. Make that house sing, guy. Oh yeah! Fuck out her. Yes sir. That shit out there. Shit, they might need to do something. Are you going that way? No sir. Now you coming this way. Oh shit, no! Oh, he finna leave my ass. What is that, red? Mustang's loud as fuck. I ain't even gonna lie. But they just unnecessarily loud. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lady. Oh my God. Hey, nah. Hey, nah. No 40, bro. He ain't going on my head. I'm on his ass. Come here. Come here. Come here. Where you going? I'm on your ass. Come here. Come here. He ain't going nowhere, nigga. Come here. Should I pass his ass? Come here. You gonna pass your ass, gang. You good, though. You tried. He tried. Hell nah. He buying me that. Let me slow down, bro. Slow his ass. Hell nah.
Catch up, babe. That my bumper out.
Finna get up right here. Damn. Yo,
Papa.
face. I can show your bitch 100 smile and they go 50K. Hit your party with the Drake, self